Welcome to part 3 of our GitHub Copilot MCQs series for GH-300 exam preparation. In this video, we will cover questions 21 to 30, focusing on GitHub Copilot, Copilot Chat, content exclusions, testing, and enterprise features. If you are preparing for the GH-300 certification or want to strengthen your understanding of GitHub Copilot, this video is for you. Let's get started with question 21. 21. Where can you check if Copilot stopped giving suggestions due to content exclusion rules? A. GitHub.com logos under User Settings. B. Copilot's error panel inside your IDE. C. Copilot's icon in the editor status bar. D. Warning messages inside the suggestion window. Correct answer, B. Explanation. The Copilot error panel inside the IDE clearly shows when suggestions are blocked. It displays messages related to content exclusions, permissions, or policy restrictions. This helps developers quickly understand why Copilot is not responding. Browser settings and status bar icons do not provide detailed diagnostic information. Therefore, the error panel is the most reliable place to check such issues. 22. What /command should you use in Copilot Chat to generate unit tests? A. /tests. B. /generate tests. C. /create tests. D. /init tests. Correct answer. B. Explanation. The /generate tests command is the officially supported Copilot Chat command. It allows Copilot to analyze the selected code or file context. Based on the logic, Copilot generates relevant unit test cases. Other similar commands are not recognized by Copilot Chat. Using the correct command ensures accurate and expected results. 23. How can GitHub Copilot help keep your test cases consistent in style and structure? A. Automatically fixing all tests without context. B. Recognizing your testing pattern and suggesting similar structures. C. Writing implementation code instead of tests. D. Providing external documentation references. Correct answer, B. Copilot observes existing test cases in your project. It learns naming conventions, structure, and assertion styles used by you. 24. What is a likely outcome of Copilot being trained on common coding patterns? A. It will propose entirely new concepts never seen before. B. It may suggest solutions that match widely used coding practices. C. It ensures completely diverse outputs every time. D. It will suggest cutting-edge techniques not yet popular. Correct answer. B. Copilot is trained on large amounts of publicly available code. As a result, it commonly suggests familiar and widely accepted solutions. These suggestions align with industry best practices. 25. How can Copilot assist with writing documentation for your code? A. It only produces documentation in Markdown. B. It can suggest summaries or explanations based on code behavior. C. It automatically generates full, perfect documentation. D. It cannot help with documentation at all. Correct answer. B. Explanation. Copilot can analyze the logic and structure of your code. Based on this, it suggests meaningful summaries or comments. This helps developers save time while writing documentation. The output usually acts as a draft that can be refined. 26. How does Copilot help developers reduce time spent writing boilerplate code? A. By rewriting the whole codebase without input. B. By collaborating with many developers in real time. C. By suggesting reusable snippets for common repetitive logic. D. By predicting future coding needs and generating code automatically. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Copilot suggests common code patterns that developers write repeatedly. This includes setup code, configurations, and standard structures. Accepting these suggestions saves significant development time. 27. When using Copilot to detect missing tests, what is the most important factor? A. Ensuring Copilot has the correct code context. B. Maintaining very high test coverage. C. Using standard coding practices. D. Closing unrelated tabs in the IDE. Correct answer. A. Copilot needs access to relevant source code to analyze test gaps. Without proper context, it cannot understand what needs testing. Providing the correct files improves suggestion accuracy. Test coverage numbers alone are not enough. 28. Which Copilot enterprise capability works across all supported IDEs? A. Knowledge bases. B. Chat. C. Pull request summaries. D. Inline code suggestions. Correct answer. D. Inline code suggestions are the core feature of GitHub Copilot. They are available in every supported IDE integration. Suggestions appear directly while typing code. Other enterprise features may depend on IDE support. 29. In which situation might GitHub Copilot still rely on content that was excluded using content exclusions? A. When the user includes at workspace in the prompt. B. When excluded code is referenced indirectly by allowed code, such as a function call. C. When enterprise-level exclusions are overridden at the organization level. D. When repository-level settings override user settings. Correct answer. B. Copilot cannot directly read excluded files. However, it can understand references made from allowed code. For example, a function call may indicate expected behavior. 30. How can you ensure Copilot generates boilerplate test code that follows your company's testing norms? A. By using a specific /command. B. By running a special terminal command. C. By changing a configuration setting in Copilot. D. By giving clear prompt examples that demonstrate your test format. Correct answer. D. Copilot learns quickly from examples included in prompts. Showing sample tests helps Copilot understand company standards. It then follows the same structure and naming conventions. There is no special configuration or command for this. Thank you for watching Part 3 of our GitHub Copilot MCQs series for GH-300 exam preparation. If you found this session helpful, please like the video and share it with others preparing for the GH-300 exam. Thank you, and happy learning.